AT&T Fiber or Optimum. Two top contenders for blazing fast internet in 2025. But which one really delivers? On the left, AT&T Fiber, known for reliable speeds and customer satisfaction. On the right, Optimum, offering cutting-edge fiber and lower upfront costs. Let's skip the marketing talk and dive straight into the facts. We'll score each category from speed to satisfaction, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's what I've mapped out for this showdown. We're going to compare these two on speed and technology, price and value, coverage and availability, customer satisfaction, and those little quirks like installation and extras. So, it's not just about fastest internet or cheapest bill. We're going deep. Starting off with speed and technology. First up, AT&T Fiber. Honestly, their network is 100% fiber, which is super solid for keeping your speeds consistent, even during those crazy evenings when everyone in your neighborhood decides to stream, right? You get up to 5 Gbps, which for most of us is like mind-blowingly fast. Downside? There's no ultra-high tier 8 Gbps, so if you're, running a data center in your basement, that could be a letdown. Now, Optimum, and here's something cool. Optimum has the widest range out there for residential fiber, from, get this, 200 megabits per second all the way up to a blazing 8 Gbps in select areas. That's borderline excessive, but if you want bragging rights, it's hard to beat. Drawback? Not every speed or every zip code is getting pure fiber. Some places still rock cable. So for true speed freaks, I'm going to give this one to Optimum. Winner here? Optimum. Now, let's talk price and value. AT&T Fiber goes all in. No weird contracts, no surprise price hikes after a year, and honestly, they toss in the gateway or equipment fee too. Yeah, the monthly start price is a bit steeper, I won't lie, but at least you know what you're getting. Optimum, though, sort of lures you in with lower promo rates. But heads up, after year one, boom, it jumps by like $20, $25 a month. The gear's included, which is nice, but over time, it's just pricier for similar speeds. So, if you hate bill surprises, AT&T Fiber really comes out on top here. Winner, AT&T Fiber. Up next, coverage and availability. AT&T Fiber covers 21 states. And here's something not everyone realizes. They even hit more rural spots thanks to their fixed wireless. The catch? Not every town in those states is getting actual AT&T Fiber yet. Optimum also shows up in 21 states, and they're kinda rushing out new fiber upgrades super aggressively, especially in the Northeast. But yeah, those crazy fast 8 gigabit per second speeds are still just in a handful of cities. So when it comes to just raw coverage, it's honestly too close to call. This round, it's a tie. Oh, and random fact break. Did you know Optimum is actually one of the few providers letting regular folks snag that wild 8 gigabit per second fiber speed at home? Like, what do you even do with all that bandwidth? Just saying. All right, customer satisfaction. AT&T Fiber pretty much nails it here. People rave about how reliable it is, support's good, you spend less time whining about outages, which, let's be real, can ruin your whole day. Optimum, though, yeah. Even as they roll out more fiber, they still get dragged for price hikes and, let's say, less than stellar customer service. I mean, it's improving in some areas, but if you're betting on peace of mind, AT&T Fiber wins, hands down. Last one. Installation and extras. With AT&T Fiber, you get options. There's professional install, but if you're a DIY fan, sometimes you even get self-install for free. Got a phone plan or TV habit? You can bundle with their wireless or direct TV. Kinda handy. Downside? Some addresses don't get self-install, which, why? On Optimum's side, you get a free modem, plus the bundles are way more flexible if you're piecing together double, triple play stuff like TV or phone. But heads up, installation fees can be pretty steep in some regions. For me, these perks even out. So, it's a tie. If you're more of a visual person, here's what all these wins and scores look like stacked up side by side. So you can see exactly where each provider's shining and where they're, just mid. If you're that person chasing the absolute lowest upfront price, or you legit need ridiculous gigabit speeds, Optimum's got your number. But keep your eye on that price tag in the second year. For almost everyone else, though, if you want solid speeds, best-in-class reliability, and a bill that doesn't suddenly explode, AT&T Fiber's the pick. Was this guide helpful? If so, don't just grab the first plan you see. Always check which providers are available in your neighborhood before you sign